If you're a beginner looking to reduce your belly fat, exercises can help you achieve your goal. However, keep in mind that getting rid of the is not an easy task. It requires time, consistency, and hard work. Belly fat can make it difficult for you to make you feel self-conscious. However, it's not just various health risks associated with excess abdomen fat. Beginner-level exercises that can help you shed fat and keep your... Here's a look at 10 of them. 1. Flutter kick. Easy exercise that not only works on your belly, but also for abs, hamstrings, glutes, and quads. On your back. Keep your hands and lift your left leg slightly over your hip while raising thumbs up a few inches off the ground. Make sure your back. Hold the position and switch the legs. Try to increase your flutter kick motion speed. You can also raise your neck and head off the floor to make the exercise more challenging. 2. Planks. Planks are one of the most effective exercises you can do to it targets your lower and upper abs, biceps, glutes. How to do it? Start by kneeling down, followed by your right just behind you. Keep your elbows. Make sure your hips, back, and neck are on the same line. And try to hold this position for 20 seconds. Crunches. Bicycle crunches are an exercise that helps. This exercise also targets your quads, hamstrings, and upper abs. How to do it? Lie down on your head while keeping your fingers interlocked. Raise your eyes, get perpendicular to the floor, and your calf muscles get. At the same time, lift your shoulders and rotate your elbow touches your left knee. Straighten your left leg. Simultaneously, bend your right leg and rotate your touches your right knee. Repeat. 4. Mountain climbers are one of the best full-body exercises. Your muscles in your body, including your hamstrings, glute muscles. How to do it? Take a plank goes below your shoulders and your back, hips, and neck aligned with each other. Raise your right foot, bend your knee slightly, and bring your leg close to your chest. Take your right foot back to its starting position. Raise your left foot, bend your knee, and take it towards your chest. Continue the movement and speed up as if you are running. 5. Heel touch. Heel touch is another very simple yet effective exercise to reduce your belly fat. This exercise largely targets your obliques and upper abs. How to do it? Lie down on the floor with both your legs flexed and your feet at shoulder-width distance. Your hands should be on your side, shoulders relaxed and core muscles engaged. Start to bend on your left side and try to touch your left heel with your left hand. Bend towards the right and perform the same movement. Speed up and continue the exercise. 6. Russian twist. The Russian twist is a beginner-level exercise that primarily targets the glutes, upper and lower abs, and obliques. It's also very beneficial in reducing and controlling belly fat. How to do it? Sit on the floor and raise your legs while keeping your knees slightly bent. Lean towards the back a little and hold your palms to balance yourself. Start to twist your upper body to the right and twist it to the left. Speed up the movement and continue for a few seconds. 7. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that targets all the important muscles in your upper and lower body. The exercises mentioned are all beginner-friendly and can help you get rid of belly fat. However, when doing these workouts, make sure not to overexert your muscles. How to do it? Stand tall and keep your feet at shoulder-width distance. Put your hands on the ground and bend your knees. Jump powerfully and push your legs behind to get into a full plank position. Hop back to the start and jump vertically while extending your hands over your head. Land on the floor and take up the starting position again. Repeat. 8. Lying leg raise. It's a versatile exercise that gives you the freedom to do it anywhere you want. Lying leg raises should work the core, hip flexor muscles, hamstrings, and lower back muscles. How to do it? Lie down on a mat. Place your thumbs under your hips, palms flat on the floor. Lift your feet off the floor a little, look up at the ceiling, and engage your core. This is the starting position. Raise both your legs to 90 degrees and slowly bring them back down. Right before touching the floor, raise your legs again. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. What not to do: do not place your feet completely on the floor or push your hips up with your hands to lift your legs. 9. Scissor kicks. Scissor kicks are an effective abs and core exercise that target your lower abs, but they will also work your quads and lower body, as well as your core. How to do it: lie down on a mat. Place your palms under your hips. Lift your head, upper back, and legs off the floor. This is the starting position. Lower your left leg. Just before it touches the floor, lift your left leg and lower your right leg. Do this 12 times to complete one set. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Take a 20-second break before moving on to the next exercise. What not to do: do not do this exercise quickly or hold your breath while doing it. 10. Half-seated reverse crunch. Reverse crunches, if performed correctly, can help strengthen the core without straining your neck and low back. This move activates the obliques and major abdominal muscles for a strong, toned core region. How to do it: sit on a mat, flex your knees, and place your feet flat on the floor. Lean back and support your body on your elbows. This is the starting position. Lift both your legs off the floor and bring your knees almost close to your nose. Slowly, bring your legs down to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. What not to do: do not scrunch your shoulders or curve your lower back too much. Focus more on your form and posture. Moreover, before starting these exercises, get a full body checkup and consult a doctor if you have any ongoing health concern. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay connected and get updates on new videos and amazing content. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching the video.